Good morning, friends. Today we will learn the metamorphosis in frog. So, first of all, I am going to share the screen. Just wait for a few seconds. Is it get shared? Okay. So, what is mean by metamorphosis? First of all, we must know what is mean by metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the process in which the larva undergoes series of external and internal changes to attain the juvenile frog stage. These modifications or changes are called as metamorphic changes, and there are many larval forms which are transitional stages in the life history of the frog that I am trying to show here. As we know, this frog is having different stages in their life history. Egg, this animal is egg-laying animal, oviparous animal. So large number of eggs are laid into the water, and from eggs larva hatches out, and thereafter it cling to the aquatic vegetation, and thereafter it feeds on that, it grows into the water, and after that it becomes a fish like animal, fish like a young one, that fish like tadpole which is having long tail. Thereafter it starts appearance of different organs, and entire systems are also get changed, that we shall learn in the process of metamorphosis. So metamorphosis is the process of transformation of form in immature forms to an adult form in two or more distinct stages. Means, in other words, you can say these are the gradual and complete changes, or gradual and complete changes of structures during the development from larval stages to adult life. It is called as metamorphosis. It starts after the age of 2 or 3 weeks, म्हणजे 15 ते 21 दिवसानंतर याच्यामध्ये सडनली आणि ग्रॅज्युअली अगदी असे वेगवेगळे बदल आपल्याला बघायला मिळतात. इट अंडरगोज ए सिरीज ऑफ रॅपिड चेंजेस ट्रान्सफॉर्मिंग into a terrestrial tailless adult. This adult is tailless, while the tadpoles, they have long tail. And here, after the formation of tailless adult, it is having completely different morphology and completely different physiology, often for life in a different habitat. The beginning of metamorphosis is indicated by frequent trips of tadpoles to the surface of water. This is the photograph which is showing large number of tadpoles of different stages. What they are doing, they are repeatedly coming up on the surface of water, and here they try to come out of the water surface. They open their wide mouth and engulf large amount of air. Then after engulfing air, they sink down to the bottom. They enter into the water, they sink down at the bottom. This process occurs again and again. In this process, the lungs start for pulmonary respiration over the internal gill phases. So at the same time, large number of changes are taking place in the body of these animals. As we know here, first of all, in the first step, what happened here? It stops feeding. Repeatedly, it come up on the surface of water, engulfing air, and that air enters into the small lungs via mouth, and then it again sink down into the bottom. So in this process, the hind limbs appears first, and after that, here in the anteriormost part, there is a development of operculum over the gills. You can see here, this is the fold or furrow. Actually, this is the large flap which is get developed over the gills, due to which it forms a kind of operculum over the gills. And here operculum is broken down, or it breaks, or from which very small bird come out, and ultimately it is get converted into the forelimbs. Here only hind limbs are there, and first of all hind limbs are formed, and thereafter forelimbs are formed, and it appears after breaking this operculum. Then tail, which is present in this larva, it gradually shortens and it providing nourishment. Head and body, it increasing in its size like adult frog. Then eyes which are present here, they are very small, but eyes becomes prominent. They bulge and they emerges out. जसं आपण एखाद्या गाडीचे लाईट बघतो ना, तसे याचे डोळे असे वरती येतात. अडल्ट मध्ये तुम्ही बघतात, आणि इथे पण आपण बघूया हाऊ दे आर इमर्जेस आउट. अँड ॲट द सेम टाइम these legs become stronger and stronger. मोठे मोठे होतील आणि स्ट्रॉंग पण होतील. Then skin of this tadpole, it is larval. If we observe larval tail and larval skin, it is having very fine cilia over the body, and mouth, it is having freely lips, and horny jaws are present in the mouth. Here horny jaws they lost, and cast off that freely lips also, and ciliated skin which is present over the body, it is also cast off, so that mouth becomes wider. तोंड त्याचं खूप मोठं होतं, अगदी वाईड बनतं त्याचं तोंड, आणि ट्रू जॉज तयार होतात. मग हे तर झालं एक्सटर्नल चेंजेसच्या बाबतीत. हे होत असताना त्याच्यामध्ये इंटरनल चेंजेस पण व्हायला लागतात. सेम थिंग इज शोन हियर. अँड देअर आफ्टर विच आर द इंटरनल चेंजेस टेकिंग प्लेस इन द बॉडी ऑफ दिस ॲनिमल. हे आपण एक्सटर्नल चेंजेस बघितले. अगोदर फक्त मागचे पाय होते, नंतर पुढचे पाय पण आले. शेपूट लहान लहान होत चाललेले, डोळा पण छोटा आहे, डोकं पण लहान आहे, डोकं मोठं मोठं होत चाललेलं आहे. त्याच्याबरोबर या डोळ्याच्या बॅक साईडला इथं टिम्पॅनम पण तयार झालेलं आहे. नंतर याच्यामध्ये लॅटरल लाईन सिस्टीम असते, ते डिसअपियर झालेली आहे. टेल छोटी छोटी होत गेलेली आहे. इन अडल्ट टेल इज गेट लॉस्ट. हेड, it is enlarges in its size, and both limbs they becomes muscular, long, strong and stout. Entire body is also becomes strong and stout. हे होत असताना त्याच्या शरीरामध्ये इंटरनल चेंजेस पण होतात. मग इंटरनल चेंजेस कुठले कुठले होत असतील? आपल्याला वरून हे चेंजेस दिसतात, पण याच्यासोबत अनेक इंटरनल चेंजेस पण व्हायला लागतात. पहिलं महत्वाचं म्हणजे तोंडामध्ये, या जबड्यांमध्ये खालच्या जबड्याला जीभ तयार होते. टंग, that tongue is bifid and it is large tongue attached to the anterior tip of lower jaw, and it is protrusible one. Stomach, it stomach and liver, both organs they enlarge, but long coiled intestine which is present in the tadpole, it becomes shortens. Actually intestine is prominently present in the herbivorous animals. So in the herbivorous tadpole, it is having several coils in the abdomen, but when it becomes adult, it is greatly shortens into small gut of carnivorous frog. Then as the head develops, within the head, brain is also get differentiated. Inside the anteriormost part of the trunk, there is a presence of heart. In tadpoles, heart is two-chambered, but in case of adult frog, heart becomes three-chambered. The skeleton of tadpoles, It is made up of cartilaginous materials. That cartilaginous materials, it is get replaced by the bony structure. So entire internal skeleton of the frog, it is bony, and rapidly along with that musculature is also get developed. Vascular system is modified for air breathing with well-developed lungs. So inside it, lungs are present in adult. Skin becomes vascular. It is respiratory also, and large number of pigments are developed in the skin. And along with that, glands are also, lot of glands are developed in the skin, so that skin of frog is slimy. In case of tadpoles, they have protonephric kidney. That protonephric kidney is get replaced by the mesonephric kidney in adult frog. Lateral line system which is present in the tadpoles, same lateral line system is also found in the fishes. That lateral line system, and that lateral line system which is present in the tadpole, it is get disappeared in the adult frog. So by that way, a young tiny frog leaves the water and lives in damp places on land, start to feed on small insects and grow into adult. So by that way, lot of such changes are taking place in the body of this animal. Now I would like to explain which are the significance of the metamorphosis. But before studying significance of metamorphosis, I would like to repeat few important points, which are the external and internal changes taking place in the body of tadpoles while metamorphosis. First of all, you are already studied the external gills, it has get disappeared. What happened here? Tail, it is long tail. Tail begins to disappear as it reabsorbed into the body by autolysis. The ciliated larval skin is lost. Characteristic mottled skin is formed in adult. What is thereafter? Mouth. यांचं जे तोंड असतं ते छोटं असतं. Here mouth becomes wider. It becomes wide. Horny jaws and lips are replaced by true jaws. The tongue becomes elongated and functional for catching prey. The eyes become prominent, they bulge out, and tympanum become distinct. It acts as auditory important organ. Then last important point, body becomes short and broad, and the limbs develop further. They become muscular, and hind limbs shows webbed toes. These are the external changes which are observed. आता याच्या व्यतिरिक्त तिथे इंटरनल चेंजेस पण झालेले आहेत. अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे काही इंटरनल चेंजेस पण झालेत. आपण डिटेल बघितलं सगळं, पण आपण शॉर्ट मध्ये काही महत्त्वाचे बदल जे झालेले आहेत ते आपण बघूया. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं पहिलं काय, आतमधलं जे स्केलेटन आहे, that was cartilaginous in tadpole. The cartilaginous skeleton is get replaced by bones. Heart becomes three-chambered. Liver and stomach and lungs develop. Internal gills and gill slits totally degenerate. Intestine gets shortened in the adaptation to a carnivorous diet. असे अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे सगळे बदल झाल्यानंतर मग ज्युवेनाइल फ्रॉग तयार होतो. आता हे तर बघितलं आपण, पण मग याचे सिग्निफिकन्स काय? What is the significance of metamorphosis? Already one significance I wrote here. You can read it. Metamorphosis clearly indicates that during evolution, amphibians must be evolved from the fish-like ancestors. म्हणजे हे जे सगळे amphibians आहेत, हे फिश सारखे जे प्राणी होते त्यांच्यापासून जन्माला आले असावेत, त्यांच्यापासून हे इव्हॉल्व झालेले असावेत, असा एक जवळचा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा एक कयास आपल्याला लावता येतो, एक निष्कर्ष काढता येतो. हे पहिलं आणि महत्त्वाचं एक सिग्निफिकन्स आहे त्याचं. It helps in interpretation of avian and mammalian development. It explains the evolutionary transition of lower chordates into higher chordates also. And it also explains the evolution of lung breathing animals. These are the lung breathing animals. So what happened here? It explains the evolution of lung breathing animals from which? From the gill breathing animals. So it explains the evolution of various physiological requirements present in the air breathing and land living animals. So this is whole about the process of metamorphosis and significance of metamorphosis. So whatever metamorphosis we learned here, don't forget, it is always used to ask in the examination. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, you must ask me without keeping any interference in your mind. I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Wish you good day.